Stick with me if you want to know how to make your lip balm from the comfort of your home or a pink lip balm. All right, thank you. I've measured the shea butter and beeswax and it's on fire. Using a double boiler method is going to melt fast. So I just want to note that this is going to be the last skincare tutorial that I will be sharing on Bloom Empress channel. Further skincare tutorials are going to come up on my Bloom SkinCo, which is my skincare brand. I have a new YouTube channel, so please subscribe to that channel if you're interested in skincare tips, hair care tips, personal care tips, all those kind of things. The link is going to pop up on the screen or after the video, or it's going to be in the description box as well. So please subscribe. Don't say I did not tell you, so you don't expect any more skincare tutorials on this channel. So right now the beeswax is melting, same with shea butter, which has almost completely melted, and the beeswax takes longer time because of its texture. Also note, like I said in the last tutorial video, that I sell raw materials. You can get so many for as low as 500. Okay, so right now beeswax and shea butter has dissolved completely, and you can see this color. If you want your balm to be like this, just keep that color. I'm adding coconut oil because coconut oil has this nice scent which is going to overpower my shea butter. I don't like shea butter scent, so I'm using coconut oil, a teaspoon. All the measurements are in the description box, so don't worry. Okay, all the measurements are in the description box. This is going to serve for just like a 15-gram container, so double measurements if you're making more than that. Now I'm adding beetroot powder, which is the star of the show. Mine is looking this way, it's looking brownish, deep brown, reddish brown, because it has oxidized and I'm not diluting with hot water. So if you want to get a vibrant red pinkish color, dilute with hot water and just use the extract, which is supposed to be thick, to get your color. But I'm pouring the powder straight and I'm using just half a teaspoon, so it's not going to give me that vibrant pink lip stuff. This is how I'm okay with this. I already have a natural pink lip, so this is fine for me. I don't want it to be too pinkish or too colored. Okay, so I'm going to mix the powder with the mixture. You can see that it was already starting it was already mixture is already thick, because shea butter solidifies at room temperature. Okay, so mix this. Don't mind the color. I know it's looking brownish. Like, what is this? This is how pink lip balm used to look. Remember, like I said, you can use any color you want. Be inventive, okay? You can decide to start orange lip balm. You can decide to start red lip balm, purple lip balm. Someone started pink lip balm and it's the trend. So just be inventive. Maybe you call my own brown pinkish lip balm. You can see the hue, but because of the quantity of the beetroot I used and the way I dissolved it. So I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon powder. This is optional. You can skip it. I just like to add cinnamon in almost everything I'm doing. Cinnamon, I love the scent, I love the flavor. Okay, so I'm going to mix my pinch of cinnamon powder with the mixture I already have. You can see that pinkish hue coming out, but because my beetroot is oxidized and I didn't use enough, so you can see it's looking brownish light. I don't know how to describe it, but alright, so I'm adding vitamin E oil, which is going to help it stay longer, because we're not using a preservative, so it's going to preserve it and it helps your lips to be more moisturized. This is a moisturizing lip balm, and trust me, when I use this, it does not leave the residue, like the particles of the powder you're seeing. It's not going to leave it on your skin, on your lips. Okay, everything is just going to melt and your lips are going to be very soft. So I'm going to transfer it to the container. You just need 2 to 3 drops, and I'm going to leave it in the fridge for it to solidify and remove it when it is ready, like an hour later. So remember to subscribe to the channel, okay, for more videos, and give the video a thumbs up, share to your friends. Every other information is in the description box. This is it at room temperature after it is solidified. Thank you for watching. Bye.